Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update, but also a very much needed update, in my opinion. We'll do a full update. I actually bought Solana earlier this morning. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you what I expect. I'll tell you what's possible, and basically I'll tell you everything you need to know, or at least I think you need to know. At this point of time, Solana, I mean, in the end, we are still consolidating, all right? And that's basically what we've been doing for the majority of the time the last couple of months. If you look at this, we've mainly been very volatile, all right? So on the lower time frames, there's been trends. I mean, in the end, on the lower time frames, something like this is a real uptrend, right? Or something like this, I should say. It's a real uptrend, but if you zoom out, it's mostly been consolidating. And I also think that's the case right now. If you look at the 12-hour time frame right here, the EMAs are relatively flat. If you then zoom into a lower time frame at the 4-hour time frame, EMAs are relatively flat as well. So I think we are consolidating. So then the big question is well, why did I buy Solana? Or why am I bullish on Solana? Because for now I am. I think we need to get some more confirmation to really turn bullish on Solana. But still, I am more bullish than bearish. And the answer actually lays in two things. And first of all, the answer actually lays in the fact that we are consolidating. All right, because if we are consolidating and if we can be sure that we will stay in this consolidation, what that means is that after hitting the bottom right here, which we did yesterday, after that, no, actually not yesterday, like Sunday into Monday, we did that. So if you assume that after that the consolidation will hold, then hitting the bottom of the consolidation is actually very bullish, because that means that afterwards we get up to the top of the consolidation. So that's one of the reasons why I went long. All right, I expect this consolidation to hold. The top of the consolidation is up here between 155 and 160. So us being at 143 right here, that creates the opportunity, and that creates some upside potential of at least 10%, which is for a big market cap coin like Solana, that's quite good. And then apart from that, what I like as well is that Bitcoin is actually relatively strong. Like, it came back relatively strong from the move yesterday. Whereas in the past month, usually what we did after a drop like yesterday is something like this, right? And now you can see we did something like this, a V shape. So that means that there's strength here. And that's what we want to see. And then apart from that, not only is Bitcoin relatively strong here, it's not bullish. We still need a breakout for that, but it's relatively strong compared to the last month, I would say. And then at the same point of time, we actually see that Solana against Bitcoin is very strong, and even got some sort of a breakout, even though we still have to see whether that can hold. But no, so there's, if you look at the market structure, it's most likely that Solana will hit that top of the range again. And then if you look at Solana specifically, you actually see relative strength against the markets. Now, what I haven't checked out, and for me it wasn't that relevant, but it is one of the key things to actually know, and that is momentum. And as you can see, Solana is also gaining some nice momentum right here. Open interest is actually rallying up with a positive CVD. So yeah, I have to be bullish on Solana. Would I buy right here if I were you? If you don't have the same setup as me, then no. All right, then I would wait for the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame to break. Then you have a little bit more confirmation. If I see the momentum go away, or if we get some sort of a bearish breakout here below 140, I will close. All right, at a very small loss. So just know that. But I do think it's interesting to look into buying Solana. But that's up to you. For now, that's everything I wanted to tell you, at least. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.